Was because of you. You're the only one that I'm gonna listen to. And every part of me is a...
Hey guys, so I know it's been a while since I dropped another video, but I just filmed this quick makeup look, and if you want to see how I achieved this smoky eye look, continue watching this video. Hey guys, so basically I have on this soothing milk sheet mask from K-Beauty, and it's basically a Korean sheet mask, and it's basically on my face to prep my face before I do my makeup. So 15 minutes are up, and now we're just gonna moisturize the face with my number 7 Early Defense moisturizer with SPF 30. So we're just gonna let that absorb in our skin, and I'll be right back. Basically, we're just gonna start off by combing the brow.
Gave it all for fantasy.
I use Morphe's brow pomade in the color Java, and we're gonna do some light strokes. Now, instead of doing the brows from front to back, we're gonna start off with the tail.
Won't remember me. If I go tonight, I doubt the world will change. I just pray they don't forget my name. These the game rules I can't lose. When it's all said and done, will I still be cool? Spent like 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000. How much I'ma spend profiling? She come in and compliment my closet. Fuck her on the floor like I don't give a fuck about it.
I'm just gonna put some primer on the rest of my face. I just use Revlon's Prime Plus Perfecting In and Smoothing Primer. So now that the brows are filled in, we're just gonna go in with LA's Pro Concealer. Gonna put some of that on the back of our hand, and we're gonna take our Morphe M432 brush and basically just conceal our brows.
They the only ones that really know me.
So basically, I really like this brush because it gets really in there. It's so sharp. It's very small.
I was fucking superstars when I was 19. Shit we did, you won't believe me.
So now that that side is done, we're gonna go ahead and do the other.
Now I'm at the turn up looking lonely. Then they wonder why I'm quiet at them house parties. Cause everybody see me. Throw some blunts and hit her once and now she need me. Her nigga wanna be me, yeah, but they don't know I'm fighting demons. I feel like dying every...
Your brows are like sisters. They're not twins. So we need to get them very similar but not alike. So yeah, that's basically how I do my brows or whatever. I actually think I'm gonna blend that out with a beauty blender. This is my Infallible Pro Spray and Set Makeup Extender.
I've been swimming in the deep end. All my bitches know I'm leaving at some point, whether there's a reason. I feel like dying every season. I've been swimming in the deep end. I feel like dying every season. I've been swimming in the deep. I don't give a damn about them. I'ma do me. And if I had to choose me, you.
Just gonna take some brow gel
I choose me. When I'm
We're gonna basically wanna prime the eyelid with some concealer. Use the same beauty blender.
money ain't around, and the bitches ain't around, who the fuck gon' be around?
So now we're just gonna go in with this light beige color.
Yeah. When the money ain't around, and the bitches ain't around, who the fuck gon' be around? Yeah. Shit's bad for me, can't help.
Basically build that up with this dark color right here. Well, actually, I think I want to build it up with that tan and then go on with that one.
Can't lose it, I love it. That's true shit. What more could you want? So sad for me. Can't lose it, can't help it. I love you. We still be down. When the
So now we're just gonna go on with that dark brown.
money ain't around, and the bitches ain't around, who the fuck gon' be around? Yeah. When the money ain't around, and the bitches ain't around, who the fuck gon' be around? Me.
So now we're just gonna go in with that color.
Life is what you make it around me. On and on and on and on and on. On and on. That's what you make it. Life is what you make it. It goes on and on and on and on and on.
So I'm deciding to darken up the crease a bit with this brown right here from this palette. Going in with the color Soffle. Now we're going back in with the Juvias palette with that red glitter color, and we're just going to place that all over the lid. I'm gonna get that black color from this palette. So to sharpen out the wing, we're just gonna take a little bit of concealer. Now on to the face makeup. So we're gonna take our Occassion foundation. Basically gonna apply that all to the face. The brows is giving me life. Just gonna take our beauty blender, we're gonna spray it. And now we're gonna just blend the face out.
You've been working, You've been working late, but I'm glad you're home.
So now we're just going to conceal the face. I'm using my LA Pro concealer. And this is how I conceal the face. I basically make a line by the nose.
Made your dinner, ran bath water,
And
babe.
I stretch it out some.
We got time
And then I
alone.
make another line by the nose and stretch it out some. So that way it creates a certain kind of contour by the nose. And then I just go right above the brow bone
And I want you here.
and add some more.
It's been a long,
So that
long
we lift
time.
the face. Now I'm just gonna take my
Called your mama,
beauty blender,
told her why.
spray it, and blend that out.
Yes, I do. No, I can't. No, I can't. About you.
And take some more concealer.
Told her to watch your kids. No, I can't. Yes, I do. No, I can't. No, I can't. About you. No, I can't.
Now we're just gonna go in with some contour. This is the color Cocoa in the LA Pro concealer, and
About everything you do.
Black Radiance powder in the color Banana and the color Honeymoon. We're gonna mix the two. Take a beauty blender. I'm gonna dip it in the banana powder and set the face. And now I'm going to take this setting powder in the color Copper from L'Oreal's Infallible Paris.
Where were you when I was lost? When I was broke, I heard my stomach talk.
And now I'm just gonna add some contour in the cheeks a little bit.
I remember when I broke the law. Daddy tried to get me to the cops. If I close the door and shut my mouth, I wouldn't be here right now. If I cared what they was talking about, I wouldn't be here right now.
Now we're just gonna go in with some blush.
If I close the door and shut my mouth, I wouldn't be here right now. If I cared what they was talking about, I wouldn't be here right now.
We got some color back into our cheeks. We're just gonna go in with some highlight now. This color. And we're just gonna apply it right
I was 15 flunking out. How would it be right now? If I cared what they was talking about, how would it be right now? I was 15 flunking out. They never let me leave the house. People saw me standing out. Some niggas wanna run him out. If I close it,
and into the inner corner of our eyes.
don't shut my mouth. How would it be right now?
So for the lips, I figured we do like I don't know, what color lip should we do? I say brown liner for sure.
If I care what they was talking about, how would it be right now? If I close the door and shut my mouth, how would it be right now? If I care what they was talking about, how would it be right now?
I'm gonna use my Revlon Ultra Vivid Lip Polish in the color So Shady Ombrage. Basically, it's like a dark burgundy. So now that the face is done, we're just gonna set it with the same spray we've been using. We're gonna cover the eyes. So this is the final look. Okay guys, so I put on my lashes and this is how everything came out to look. So yeah, I'm about to go do my hair and show you guys the overall look. So this is the final look, guys. If you like this look and want some more makeup looks, subscribe to my channel and like this video and comment below. Thanks for watching.
Because you, she only one and I